Hey everyone, so this video is about me moving from Claude Desktop, which is the major way I was using every day to ask for help regarding anything I want or asking questions using Claude, Code, or Cowork. So the shift is now I don't need to use this at all, so I'm not opening this on daily basis. We can just close it, and then I will just use one keyboard button to talk to Claude instead. Let's try. Hello, can you hear me? Now we will wait.
Vault loaded. What are we on?
Perfect. Now it needs my command. So I will, I'm working on Canva, for instance, designing this, and then I just want some information from the tools that I connected to Claude already using the MCP. So I will, let's say I will ask about let's see, I need to ask about something that's not confidential, but at the same time that's useful. So how many tasks do I have open in my Notion consulting projects and Notion consulting tasks databases inside Notion? How many are open, not completed? Just give me the final number, no details. Okay, now let's wait a little bit. It's going to access
I'll check
Notion.
Notion for open task counts.
And I will continue my design or whatever I'm doing. Of course, I will
Found both
just
databases, fetching their schemas to find the data source URLs.
see.
Now I'll query both for open non-complete status counts. 2 open projects, 43 open tasks.
Perfect. See, so you can continue doing your work while you're talking to your AI agent in the background without having to worry about going to Claude. See, even the conversation is not started at all from here. So yeah, I think this is really helping me with productivity. I am able to access literally even my Gmail if I want. I can ask it to draft an email for a Gmail for an email that I just received, or basically, even read the email to me so I can approve it or ask for edits before it sends it. So I don't have to touch literally anything else besides the work that I'm doing, and this helps a lot with focus. I also added the music mode. I'm not sure if it's going to work. This is the first time I try it, so let's try this. Play music, please, or music on. I'm not sure
I
about
can't
this.
control music playback. No tool for that here. Is there a specific app or device you want me to trigger via something else? Or did you mean something different?
This has already been added to your instructions. You have to use YouTube Music, and you already have access to opening that through Google Chrome.
That's not in my instructions. Nothing in the Vault config mentions YouTube Music or Chrome, but I can just open it for you now if you want. Opened YouTube Music in Chrome. Note for the record, don't tell me something's already in my instructions. When it isn't, just ask directly and I'll do it.
Okay, please play You Have to Be a Killer, which is Succession music. It's on the homepage right now.
I don't have a way to click things inside the browser page itself. No browser control tool here, just the ability to open URLs. Best I can do is open a direct search for it. Opened a search for it in Chrome.
So
You'll need to click play yourself. I can't drive the page from here.
yeah, so this is what it opened for me, basically. I know probably the instruction that I just added is not pushed to the production code. That's why it's not working. But I'm sure I added this feature so that it can play music in the background. We can try it out in the next video. So this is the music. It's fully opened this for me. I can just play it. And then
Hey, Dad,
we can start listening to the music. But yeah, this is it. And if you have any questions, let me know.